How to connect the motor and controller.
In this video we will explain the wiring to connect BLDC motor to the BeUDMKE 721018080N controller. First, let's identify the key terminals on the controller. Motor power input, motor phase wires, control port, motor hall interface, motor stop-start, forward-reverse switch, controller power input, motor speed switch, computer connection port. Next we'll demonstrate controlling the motor. This controls the motor's speed. This control motor stop or start, forward or reverse.
This is all the wiring content. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us anytime.